Hi guys, Mantas here, and I want to ask you a question. Have you watched my Quora case study, where 30 days I was posting 10 answers a day on Quora? So today I have a special offer for you. Stay tuned till the end and I will show you one little trick how to get traffic from Quora. And this is actually working right now. And if you first time on my channel watching first of my videos, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you could get latest updates from me. Okay, back to business. So, have you noticed a link on the top here where it says spaces? So Quora introduced this function spaces, and this is kind of like Facebook groups. And there are huge groups in here. Actually, just you need to find them. But specifically, I just unlocked my feature so I could create my own group, my own circle of people where I can create that space myself. So basically, if you are in blogging, marketing, advertising, or something similar to this, I will give you a link down below this video and you can join my special group, which is growing pretty rapidly every single day. So as you can see, it's got now 353 followers, and here is the stats. So I've got views on my group 976, 189 followers, 5 upvotes, and these bars showing growth of that space. So if you want, you can join my space and you can post your latest blog post here. So what are you gonna do, guys? How are you gonna get traffic? You just wrote a new blog post, you just released your new video on YouTube, or you are producing any kind of content in other ways. So I suggest you not just to share on your Facebook page, not just to share on Twitter, but actually to post here on Quora, on the space as well. So if you'd like, I will leave the link down below. Hit that link. Now, whether you join my space or not, I hope this video have explained you what is a Quora space. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments in the comment section, and I will talk to you soon. Cheers!